Hello friends, welcome to Meta Study. Let's today discuss about American Revolution which took place between 1775 to 1783. So what was American Revolution? The American Revolution was the name given to the struggle by which colonies in England in North America declared their independence from England and fought a war to make it a reality. It is also known as American War of Independence. By the middle of the 18th century, differences in the thought and the interest have developed between the colonies on one hand and mother country England on another. So, the attempts to collect new taxes such as stamp tax 1765 and the tax on tea 1767 angered the colonialists who maintained that British government was imposing taxation without representation and that the only colonial representative assemblies could rightfully tax the Americans. That is why the Boston Tea Party incidents of 1773 took place. Okay, so what was this incident all about? Boston Tea Party 1773. The tax on tea led to trouble. In 1773, several colonies refused to unload the tea coming in English ships. In Boston, when the governor ordered a ship to be unloaded, a group of citizens dressed as American Indians boarded the ship and dumped the crate of teas in water. This incident is known as the Boston Tea Party. So, this was one of the major incidents of the American Revolution, which is known as Boston Tea Party. After that, we need to keep in mind that the American Revolution started in 1775 and lasted until 1781. On July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was issued, and its author was Thomas Jefferson. And the declaration stated that, so there were few points which this declaration stated, which we need to keep in mind. First, we need to keep in mind that the Declaration of Independence was issued on 4th July 1776 and the author was Thomas Jefferson. And the declaration stated that all men are created equal, they have natural and inalienable right to life, and third, liberty and pursuit of happiness, and that they all are justified in revolting when these rights are violated by any government. So this was all about American Revolution, which is also known as American War of Independence. So let's recapitulate. The thing is that we need to keep in mind the first thing. What was American Revolution? The American Revolution was the name given to the struggle by which the 13 colonies in England in North America declared their independence from England, and the American Revolution is also known as American War of Independence. And when all this started happening around the middle of the 18th century, we can see the differences in thought and interest between the colonies and the mother country England. So what were some of the major taxes which were imposed, which became the cause of shimmering discontent? The major taxes which were imposed were stamp tax 1765 and tax on tea 1767. Okay. Now another important incident related to American Revolution was the Boston Tea Party in 1773. What happened in this? The tax on tea, as you know, was creating already the trouble, and in 1773 several colonies refused to unload the tea coming in the English ships. In the Boston, when the governor ordered a ship to be unloaded, a group of citizens dressed as American Indians boarded the ship and dumped the crates of tea in water, and this is what we call the Boston Tea Party. So, American Revolution, as we know, started in 1775 and lasted until 1781, and the Declaration of Independence was signed on 4th July 1776, and the author was Thomas Jefferson. And the declaration, as we all know, stated that all men are created equal and they have natural and inalienable right of life and liberty and pursuit of happiness, and they are justified in revolting when these rights are violated by any government. So thank you. Do remember to like, subscribe and share.